Well, James, are you ready for your big ride?
He says,
That bike sure is a pussy magnet, eh?
Rick rides redneck pussy.
Ready to go home?
Yep, see how much he trusts you. Big sweetheart.
Go home?
Look at him. He just wants to sleep.
Yeah. He'll let out a meow when I pick him up. He's like, don't bug me. Oh, you're so spoiled. Oh, he's so hot. Holy.
That is a hot pussy.
Look at him, eh? He's like, eh.
And now you know what it feels like to be pregnant with a 5-pound kid.
Boy. Okay. Oh. You ready? Are we going? Oh boy.
He doesn't even look upset. He looks totally relaxed.
Oh yeah.
Give us a good drive-by. No, he's not minding a bit.
Pull me back down.
Clutch assists. No kitty this time. Dropped off the kitty.